Hello friends, let me introduce myself. Myself Bansodaya sir, and today we are going to learn the topic from English, writing skills and grammar. In the last lecture we have seen 3 writing skills. In it we have seen appeal, leaflet and summary writing. Now today we are going to learn next writing skills. Number 1 is note making. Note making. What is note? Note, shortly said, a brief record of points or ideas. You can say what is note? Note means brief record. थोडक्यात काढलेले मुद्दे म्हणजेच आपल्याला काय म्हणता येतं, नोट. ओके. माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दॅट व्हाय वी मेक नोट्स. इफ पॉसिबल प्लीज गिव मी द आन्सर्स. व्हाय वी मेक नोट्स. एनीबडी? Yes, very good. For a revision. Very good. For better understanding. Very good. To clear our concept. Another one. Very good. To summarize the content in few minutes. Very good. Very good. To remember what we have read or write. Good. Very good. Shortly means to memorize the contents easily, and we have to collect the main points and relevant points too, and which helps us in our exam. Okay. The next point in note making, that technique. What is the technique? Technique of note making. There are only 3 points in technique. Number 1 is first reading. We have to read the whole paragraph or given passage or given extract. Okay, and why we read it? To get main idea. We have to read it quickly. In this quick reading we get main ideas of that passage or that extract. Okay, then second point is there, second reading. Second reading. In this second reading we collect main points. Okay, these points also similar to summary writing. First reading. In first reading we can get the theme of the passage. Then in second reading we can collect main points, and in the third reading we can collect sub points, or you can say the related point with the main points. This is the technique of note making. First reading gives us theme, second reading gives us main points, and third reading gives us sub points related with the main theme. This is the technique. Then the next point in note making, that we have to remember some points. We have to remember some points while making notes. Okay. You can shortly say points to remember. Points to remember. Number 1 is that avoid long sentences. First point is that avoid long sentences. We are making our self notes. When we are making notes, we have to avoid long sentences, because we can, if we use brief sentences or short sentences, only then we can get the whole theme in very short time. So at first we have to avoid long sentences, okay, because it is difficult to us to remember the whole things. Then second point, we never lose main idea. Okay. We never lose main idea. Please mute your devices, students. We never lose main idea. It means that we never lose the main theme of that passage, because it is the core content of the passage. So main idea is important. Then next point, ignore less important points. Ignore less important points. It means that if any example is given there or any statistic information is given there, we have to ignore that points. Okay. Then next point, be brief, clear and specific. Be brief, clear and specific. Okay, this is the main point. We should write notes in brief. It must be clear one. There should not be any clashes, you can say, or confusion while you are reading your self notes. Okay, and you must be specific there. Okay, only then you can get the whole thing or whole idea of that passage in few seconds, or you can say in few words. हा मुद्दा महत्त्वाचा आहे. इथे तुम्ही क्लिअर आणि ब्रीफ असणं गरजेचं आहे. ओके, इफ यू आर ब्रीफ, you have to write clear content. If there is clarity in your writing, only then you can get what the author want to say in that passage. Next point is that use logical sequencing. We have to write our notes in sequence, and that sequence must be logical one. Okay. Next point is that use abbreviations and symbols. I will write here in short, use abbreviations and symbols. Okay. To make our notes very short and clear and brief, we have to use abbreviations and symbols there. For example, we can use plus sign there, then we can use the symbol of and there, then abbreviations like etc. Then department, if we want to write the word department, we have to write in short DEPT dot. These also saves our time, and we can get more and more information. We can collect more and more information through that passage within few minutes. Okay. Then next point, avoid non-essential words. avoid non-essential words. It means that unimportant words we can omit from the sentences. For example, articles, prepositions, adverbs, etc. For example, if there is a sentence, the COVID-19 pandemic causes great threat to the world. For example, the COVID-19 pandemic causes a great threat to the world. Here we can omit the. While we are making notes, while we are preparing notes, we can omit here from this sentence the and see. These words. If we omit these words, we can also get the meaning of that sentence or meaning of that words. Remaining words are COVID-19 pandemic dash great threat to the world. In such way, we can make our self notes. Okay. Another example is that the act was passed on 15 January 2020. I am repeating the sentence. The act was passed on 15 January 2020. Here we can make note act passed 15th January 2020. Here we have omitted the, was passed and on. These words omitted by us till we can get to the meaning of remaining words. Okay, these are the points we have to remember while we are making notes. Then okay, there is a format you can say for note making. Here we can make notes in the form of table, bar graph or line graph or in pie chart. Okay. Here you can say methods of note making. Methods of note making. Here we can write our notes in the form of table, or you can say the tabular form. Then we can use tree diagram. Then bar graph and fourth one line graph, etc. Or we can join the points, or you can say jotting points. Etc. Okay, this is note making. Getting? Are you getting what is note making? Is that clear now? Okay. The next point is expansion of ideas.